how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having an amazing day, and if you haven't already, let's give the Lord some praise for allowing us to see another day. So, I came up with this recipe concept because I bought just a recipe. It was in a box, and I got it out the Mother Day at Walmart for after Mother's Day at Walmart, and so I decided to add a little more things to it. So in the little canister thing is what came in the box that I got, plus the little apron over there that I got a boil around came in there. So I added some more pot holders. I added some little cups. I added some measuring spoons. I added a spoon, cutting board, and a whisk, along with a little decor. I decorated the box. I didn't even remove it out of the box. The backing they had, I stuck it down in the box and made so it'll sit up high. I also got some silicone cupcake little things in there that I just had that I wanted to add up in it, and this is what I came up with. I think it's kind of cute and pretty, and then I had some stickers, and so I love sunflowers, so I added those on there to decorate the box. But I think it came out cute, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And then drop down in the comment section, leave me a comment, and let me know that you've been here so I can come back and support your channel. Give me a thumbs up so my video can get out there to others, and I can make a bag too. But before I get out of here, I'm gonna get out of here. But before I do, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it is when you see this little video here, taking a recipe box and putting my own swing of things on it. I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, noon, night, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one, and I want to wish you a blessed one. And until my next video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and y'all be blessed.